Hello growers out there, in this short video I want to talk to you about CO2 dosing in a sealed room, rooms like Opticlimate rooms. There's two methods of CO2 dosing. There's hot CO2 dosing and cold CO2 dosing. Hot CO2 dosing is exactly what it sounds. It's burning gases like propane to give off CO2. Otherwise it's bottled gas that literally is just pure CO2 in a bottle. There's a couple of differences that you've got to do when you're thinking about actually CO2 injecting. In a normal sealed room with cold CO2 injection, you can pretty much get away with your current setup using your small pressure release 5-inch sort of RVK filter fan just to extract that small amount. Won't have any issues. You can go in pretty much at your 900 ppm CO2 level as much as you want. Burning CO2 has a slightly different side of take to things. One, you've got to take into consideration the heat that it gives off. But two, that also burning gives off some certain gases that are not necessarily nice to your plants in the earlier stages. So therefore we have to take up your extraction from a small 5-inch to a 6-inch extraction. That will deal with the fact that you're burning off some of these sort of not so nice gases for your plants. But also you need to start your ppm lower. Start around about 400 ppm and then on a weekly basis, depending on the size of your plants, build it up to get you to that 900 sort of level. There is a cost implication between doing these two. You're going to go through these bottles more often and have to change them more regularly. You're going to go through propane, especially if you get the bigger bottles, less, but they're a little bit more awkward to get into there. Definitely works out more cost effective this way, but most people prefer this way because it is an easier method. And those are the main differences between hot and cold burning in a closed room CO2 environment. I hope that clears everything up for you guys. Happy growing. Cheers.